Benjamin Franklin famously wrote that death and taxes are the only two certainties in life. You see what I'm doing here? See what I'm doing with my finger? Like that?
But I like that.
We think that he spoke too soon. We, all of us here. Ben Franklin, or Benjamin, Benny, I like calling him Mr. B, that death and taxes. That death and taxes. Yo, 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 Ben Franklin, my man. Benjamin Franklin, Mr. Frankly. Benjamin Franklin famously wrote, frankly, frankly, I can't say Franklin. I'm not doing anything with my hands. I'm not a crook. He spoke too soon, and we'll tell you why at the commercial break. All right, Jesus. Okay. All right, here we go. We're excited about the opportunity to do nothing. We're excited about the future. And we're excited about the future. I don't even know what to say about that. We're excited as hell about the future. F***ing A. We're committed to innovating, adapting, serving whoever the wants to pay us and our customer growing base. Franklin. We're excited about our future. Serving our customer base for the next. They're not growing though. They're definitely not growing. Serving our customer growing base. That customers. We're excited for the future. Yeah, we are. We're so excited. We're excited about the opportunity, not about this guy. Jesus. You've got rust. And why do my hands go in my pocket? I know. I'm as sad as you were, Bob. His hand was dead the whole time. You've got rust. 25? Jesus. I know. Currently. It says currently. I know. I see it. And if you've got that rust, and across 25 continents. Okay. And if you've got rust, it's dead hand. It's dead hand. Wow, it's a shirt. 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 Is he playing? Oh, hey. Hey, oh, hey, Samantha, Jonathan. For the next 40 years. Growing, gone. You.